So this is my lunch almost every single day at work. Now I just bake my kumara in the oven at the same time that I'm baking the cupcakes. So I just chuck it in at the bottom of the oven. I think it's lazy because you just leave it in the oven and don't think about it until it's time to cut it open and eat it. So I've been planning to make this video for ages actually, doing a like what I eat in a day when I'm working kind of thing, because it is totally different to when I have the whole day off and I'm able to cook for myself for every meal. But this was kind of pushed forward in a sense. This cupcake shop that I work at, I've been working here like 4 years, it's closing down. And that's just this location, mind you. So I still have a job, don't you worry. This as well, this week in general, is like the busiest week of my life. This Saturday is Armageddon, the convention that I've mentioned. I just feel like a little bit extra pressure since I am on the advertisements that I definitely need to be there. I'm also moving house that weekend. So it's actually a lot of things are happening. I'm leaving the store that I've worked at forever. I'm leaving my house and I'm needing to put cosplay on for 3 days in a row and be really like sociable. So yeah, today we are actually, after work that is, I'm going to go and move some furniture with my partner Craig. I'm going to move some things that we can move, and then we're going to have lunch. Hopefully it's something yummy. I mean, if we don't have much time, it might just be some kind of drive-through venue kind of option. Can you see this, guys? We're coming up to a billboard. I hope you can hear me over the car. I'm gonna go straight home and have some lunch and do some more moving of boxes and furniture and stuff. So for quick lunch, I'm just having this bun with baked beans and walnut parmesan, because you know it's my favorite ever. Here is a sneak peek at the things we're moving. Look at this, it's like super Tetris. Hey guys, so I just got home from moving everything with Craig, and we just picked up some fast food on the way home. Here, can you see that? Oh gosh, oh, I'm spilling it everywhere. I got tofu green curry for dinner. So I am so keen for this. I'm super tired from work and then just moving all that stuff. So I'll just fill this up. So here's my curry. So if I don't see you again, then that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's a bit random with I guess my work and also me moving house, but that's just life at the moment. And that's how it gets. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. You know, I always super appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. These bamboo shoots are like my favorite thing ever. I love them.